So, hello everyone, this is Master Nisha. If you want to do some courses like Python programming, Java, C++, DSLGO, web development, blockchain, digital marketing, and many more, and also get the certificates for them with no cost, then where can you get access of these courses for free? What you have to do for these courses? Let's see in this video. Well, you all already known we can do these courses on the platform like Udemy, Coursera. In this video, we will talk about the Udemy platform. Okay, you can get access of these courses on Udemy, but they are with cost. You can see here, if you have to do these courses, then you have to pay such crazy amount for these courses. But in this video, we will talk about how can we get these paid courses for free. Let me tell you, see, there is one website called as a Disc-Udemy, where you can get all of these courses for free. On this Disc-Udemy platform, you can see lots of courses which are already on the udemy.com. Now let's know how the Disc-Udemy works. Basically, what does the Disc-Udemy do? Disc-Udemy provides you a coupon code. What's coupon code? Using that coupon code, these paid courses can be turned into the free courses. Now you are known with the Disc-Udemy. What is Disc-Udemy? I will put up this link of the Disc-Udemy in the description. You can check out from there. But now let's see the process. What is the actual process to get access of these paid courses for free? Okay, let's go to computer screen for that. So now we are on our computer screen. Let's go to udemy.com. First of all, you have to go on udemy.com, where you have to create our account. If you have already created an account, then log in into that account. Okay, then go to discudemy.com. Just type on the Google discudemy.com. discudemy.com. Okay, you can see such dashboard on discudemy.com. Or let's back to Udemy. There are lots of courses on the Udemy, but these courses have such crazy amount. You can see 2,560, 8,000 rupees, 1,200, 8,600. As you go to discudemy.com, you can see here lots of courses. There are some courses which are almost free, means there is no coupon code required because they are already free. Such like these courses, the art of doing. You can get this course for free. Let's see, course language English description. You can get this course free of cost because there is no charge on this course. You can just click on take course, another page will open, and here there is a course coupon. Just click on this course coupon link. Now as this course is free, so you can direct enroll from here. Just click on enroll and it will automatically lead into udemy.com. Okay, and start your course, art of doing. Now let's see a course that is paid and we have to convert it in for free. Now let's open this course, Drupal for absolute beginners. Let's check it out. Okay, it is showing it is paid. See, the price of this course is $19. Okay, just click on take course. Here is a link, that coupon codes. You just have to copy this coupon code. As you click on that coupon codes link, it will lead you to the udemy.com. Here you can see the price of this course is 1,920 when they left at this price, but we have to access it at for a free of cost. See, as you scroll down, here is option enter coupon. What you have to do, copy this coupon code. Just copy this coupon code and paste it here. Okay, and apply the coupon code. As the coupon code is applied, this course become free. See, 1,920 is converted for free. Now you can add to cart or enroll. Let us enroll this course. So we enroll this course. You can see here a checkout dashboard. Just again click on the enroll now. See, it is done. You have bought this course for absolute free. Okay, start this course. You can complete this course and get a certificate from here. As you complete the 20 out of 20 lessons, you will be able to download your certificate from here. Okay, get a Udemy certificate by completing the entire course. So this is how you can get paid Udemy courses for free using the Disc-Udemy website. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then do hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon. So this is all for today's video. See you next time.